In today's video, I'll teach you how to update banking apps on Android. So if you want to update the banking apps, it is actually very simple. You'll be able to update it like any other application. So what you have to do is open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in the name of the banking app that you use. For me, I use MBL, so I'm just going to search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the banking application that has been installed on your Android and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. After the app is updated, you'll be able to access new features and smoother performance. Along with that, the bugs of the application will also be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to update them. So that is how you update banking apps on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.